It's fall, and that means it's time to get your home ready for the upcoming cold weather. Of course, here in Myrtle Beach area, we don't get as cold as many places. However, it is still important to take these steps to make sure that the systems in your home are prepared for the cold weather months. Today, I am going to give you 10 things that you can do to get your Grand Strand beach home ready as we head into the winter season. First, do a systems check. You haven't run your heating system in a while. Now is the time to test it before the winter gets here. To do this, do a quick test run. Turn your thermostat up until you hear the furnace kick on and you can feel heat coming through the vents. If everything seems to be heating up properly, you can turn it back to the AC. If there are issues, you should call an HVAC company to come take a look or service the unit now. Another quick tip to keep your home warm while cutting down on energy waste is by replacing your furnace filter regularly. Second, get your AC unit ready for the winter. Go to the outdoor condensing unit of your air conditioning system. Clear any debris and rinse it with a high-powered hose spray. Next, cover the unit with a breathable, waterproof fabric specifically designed for AC condensing units. These covers are not expensive, and you can even order them on Amazon. Even though your AC units are designed to weather the outdoor elements, this extra layer of protection from wet leaves and other debris that can freeze and cause damage is a good idea. Third, keep your pipes pumping. Insulate any exposed piping in crawl spaces, attics, garages, and outside walls. You will pay less for hot water by insulating pipes and decrease the chance of pipes freezing. If you have a tank-style water heater, wrap it in an insulation blanket to prevent needless energy use. Shut off the water to all exterior faucets from inside the house and open up the faucets to drain the water from each. Disconnect garden hoses and drain those too. Fourth, let's talk about insulation. One of the most effective ways to keep a home warm is to install adequate insulation. This is especially true in attics and crawl spaces. Insulation helps keep your home cool in summer and warm in winter. Fifth, you need to seal any drafts. Seal holes, cracks, and openings in your home to stop the flow of heat through the walls and ceiling. Be sure to check your windows and doors for any air leakage. Check the weather stripping and repair or install if necessary. Sixth, clean your gutters. Once the leaves fall, remove them and other debris from the gutters that they can drain properly. Wet leaves can add a ton of weight to the gutters and cause damage, especially if they freeze as we get into the colder temperatures. Seventh, winterize your irrigation system. Turn off your irrigation and blow compressed air through the holes to get all of the water out. This will help to prevent any damage from water freezing and bursting the lines. This should be done during the fall in preparation for the winter months. Eighth, clean and inspect your fireplace and chimney. If you have a wood-burning fireplace inside or outside of the home, make sure the chimney is free and clear of any nests from birds, squirrels, or other animals. Also, check your flue damper to ensure that it opens, closes, and locks properly. If you haven't done so already, schedule a chimney sweep to come clean your fireplace. If you have a gas fireplace, you need to check and clear the vent as it can become blocked with debris over the off-season. Inspect the glass covering for any chips or cracks. Clean your log set and dust off the blower. Check your pilot light for any exposed wires. And it is a good idea to have a professional come inspect your fireplace regularly. Ninth, clean and cover your grill. Yes, we do have beautiful weather at times, even through the winter here in Myrtle Beach, so we are sure that you will still use your grill on occasion. However, now is the perfect time to give it a good cleanup after a summer of regular use. Then, be sure to cover it up to protect it from the elements. And finally, our 10th suggestion is to cover your outdoor furniture. Depending on how much you think you're going to be spending on your porch, consider protecting your outdoor furniture by covering it up. This will give it an added layer of protection from weathering over the colder winter months. We hope these tips will help you keep your home warm, safe, and energy efficient during the colder months here in the Myrtle Beach area. Remember to subscribe to our channel as we release weekly videos that you won't want to miss. Also, if there is any specific topics you would like us to cover, please comment below. Have a happy holiday season.